Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh today flagged off Know Your Sanctuaries and Wetlands campaign at Manipur Press Club, IMPHAL. The campaign is organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union AAMSU. Forest, Environment and Climate Change and Sericulture Minister Awangbo Nyumai, Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman L. Radhakishore, Editors Guild Manipur, EGM President Khogendra Khomdram and AAMSU President Bijoy Kaksing Tabong were present at the function. The 3-day-long intensified pulse polio immunization IPP 2021 has kicked off today in Manipur. The main launch event of the immunization drive was held at the office of the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare in IMPHAL this morning. During the function, Health Advisor, Manipur Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, underlined on the importance of the program even though India has been maintaining its polio-free status. Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Advisor, Manipur Health and Family Welfare, has informed that in the first phase of COVID-19 vaccination program, 3,986 doses have been inoculated. In early February, COVID-19 vaccination program will be held for other frontline workers in the state. He was briefing media at the Office of Directorate of Health and Family Welfare in IMPHAL after launch of IPPI 2021. During his monthly radio address, Man Ki Baat, today Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about the violence in Delhi on Republic Day. Prime Minister Modi said that amidst all this, the country was saddened by the insult to the tricolor on January 26 in national capital. On Republic Day, the protesting farmers had breached the monument and clashed with police during the tractor parade called by farmer unions to highlight their demand for repeal of the Centre's tree farms laws. India reported 13,052 new coronavirus cases, 13,965 discharges and 127 deaths in the last 24 hours, as per Union Health Ministry. The total case tally in the country has reached 1.07 crore this morning. As per official data, total recoveries in the country have reached 1.04 crore, while the death toll is 1,54,274 with 1,68,784 active cases. According to ICMR, India has so far tested over 19.65 crore samples for coronavirus. Central Forest Division yesterday demolished illegal structures and houses in reserve forest area of Lamdeng block of Langol Ridge Forest Compartment number 3 in IMPHAL. The eviction drive was carried out under the supervision of Divisional Forest Officer DFO RK Amarjit. Condemning the plantation of bomb at the residence of PHED Kaksing Division Executive Engineer RK Surendra of Khurai Thoidingzam Lekai by unidentified miscreants on January 29 last. Members of Eastern Popular Club take a sit-in protest today at Thoidingzam Lairembe Mandap. The protester displayed placards strongly condemning the act. MANIWOOD Club Manipur has condoled the death of senior Manipur film actor Sagolsem DHANAMANJURI. The club also shared the grief of the bereaved family. Besides acting in numerous Manipuri films, DHANAMANJURI was also a theatre artist and an approved artist of All India Radio IMPHAL. DHANAMANJURI died of cancer yesterday. New office bearers of International Peace and Social Advancements IPSA THOUBAL branch today took oath. Our correspondent reports IPSA founder president and advisor Ibo Tombi Kuman, IPSA President Joy Kumar Konthouzam and Vice President Maibam Bisheshwar were present on the occasion. IMPHAL East District Deputy Commissioner KH Daina today kicked off the intensified pulse polio immunization at Minuthong Faijia High Madrasa in Hatta in IMPHAL today. The immunization program is organized by District Health Society IMPHAL East. The intensified national polio immunization program has kicked off at MOREH Primary Health Center today. MOREH SDC Brajendra, 43 Assam Rifles Captain Dr. Abhishek, Tengnopal Chief Medical Officer Dr. Gojendro and Primary Health Center Medical Officer in charge Dr. Santi Kumar attended the event. In the Intensified Pulse Polio Immunization IPPI 2021, children below 5 years of age, including infants, were given polio drops at around 80 polio booths set up at different locations, including Borobekra subdivision of JIRIBAM district today. The Intensified National Polio Vaccination Program has begun at the Longmai 4 Peaceland Community Hall this morning. Around 70 children under the age of 5 years were vaccinated with just 2 drops of polio at Longmai 4 village. Polio booths were set up at every villages under NONEY district. The Intensified Pulse Polio Vaccination Program began today in THOUBAL District 2. The vaccination program is handled mainly by District Health Society THOUBAL and District Health and Family Welfare Office THOUBAL. THOUBAL District Deputy Commissioner in Bandana kicked off the polio immunization program this morning at the election counting hall of DC Complex, THOUBAL. The All Assam Manipuri Students Union AAMSU HOJAI District, in collaboration with I-Seva Trust, organized an eye medical camp today at Sahitya Parisat HOJAI. Taking part in the medical camp, AAMSU HOJAI District President Khuraizam Rohit said that such eye medical camps will benefit all people as well as underprivileged sections of the society. In the case of political conspiracy, a term by the BJP, the brother of a Saffron party leader has been killed in Tripura. The police have arrested 3 persons in connection with the murder. A report said that the deceased has been identified as Kriparanjan Chakma, who was gunned down in the wee hours yesterday. Kriparanjan Chakma was the brother of Mahatya Ranjan Chakma, who is the General Secretary of the Chaumamu Mandal Committee of BJP. The Ministry of Home Affairs yesterday allowed cinema halls to operate at 100% seating capacity from February 1 onwards. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting also issued a new set of SOPs for cinema halls and theaters to prevent spread of coronavirus. Some of the general guidelines issued by the ministry are educate physical distancing of at least 6 feet to be followed outside the auditoriums, common areas and waiting areas at all times.